Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, it will show you how you can actually unlock agents in Valorant. Well, basically Valorant is completely different than other games. For example, we have League of Legends. For League of Legends, you have to get Blue Essence or RP in order to go to shop and choose whatever champion you'd like and you will buy it from there. But in Valorant, the story is completely different. In order to actually get an agent, you will be forced to play so many games in order to open one single agent. Well, how we can actually do that? Well, first of all, I will need you guys to go to, for example, the custom game and then go to practice and start a open range game or a shooting test. From there, guys, please make sure to try every single agent and choose the best for you. So, if you have chosen the agent that you liked, now it is the step to open it or activate it. Well, how you can do it? It is pretty much simple. You just have to go to agents, and as you can see here, you will find all the agent, green ones, the highlighted ones, which are the ones that you got, and the gray ones, which are the ones that you don't have. So basically, in order to activate or to get uh, an agent, you have to go to it, click on it, and then as you can see here, there's view contract and activate. So we will click on activate, and now we will go to view contract. Now, as you can see here, there is 5 tiers to complete. So there is the tier 1, you have to reach 20k XP, tier 2 30k XP, 40k, 50k, and then 60k. When you finish this one, you will get Astra or the agent that you have chosen to unlock. Well, how you can get that as fast as possible? You can just go here and complete these missions, which are updated daily and weekly. The weekly missions are really good because they give you tons of XP, like 20k or 16k, and the daily missions are pretty decent because they give you around 2k, and the first one of the day gives you 1k, so per day you have 5k of XP. Uh, for each day. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually unlock agents in Valorant. I hope you leave your comments in down below if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.